In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 301 redirects in Squarespace. If you've renamed a page, cleaned up old links, or migrated content, 301 redirects make sure anyone who visits an outdated URL is sent to the right place. They also tell search engines that the move is permanent, helping you keep your SEO value. Let's walk through the exact path in Squarespace and the small details that make these work smoothly. First, open your site in Squarespace. From the main dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner for the settings icon, the small gear symbol. Click that to open your site settings. This is your control center for everything under the hood. Inside settings, find and open developer tools. Don't worry, this area is straightforward. It simply groups advanced features together so you can fine-tune how your site behaves. One of the most useful items here is what we need next. Choose URL mappings. This is the dedicated space where you define permanent redirects and vanity URLs. Think of it as a simple instruction list that tells Squarespace, when someone visits this old path, send them to that new path permanently. Now, paste your redirect code into the URL mappings box. Each redirect goes on its own line and the format is simple. For an internal page, it looks like this: /oldpage and /newpage 301. Be sure to include the leading slash on both paths and the 301 at the end to mark it as a permanent redirect. If you're sending people to a different website or a full external link, include the complete URL like /oldoffer, https://www.example.com/new-offer 301. A few practical tips as you paste your mappings. Keep one mapping per line for clarity. Match the exact slug of your pages, including hyphens and case. Consistency helps prevent missed matches. If your site uses trailing slashes, mirror that in your mapping. For internal pages, use relative paths, just the part after your domain. So, /aboutold goes to /about, not a full domain. For external destinations, always include HTTPS. And because these are permanent moves, choose 301 only when you're confident the change isn't temporary. That's all there is to it. Access settings, open developer tools, go to URL mappings, and paste your redirects using the clean, consistent format we covered. With these entries in place, your visitors and search engines will seamlessly land on your updated pages, preserving both user experience and SEO.